224 horsepower, a full tank that lasts 1,000 kilometers, and a price tag that makes German engineers uncomfortable. The new Omoda 5 hybrid just walked into the room, and nobody saw this coming. You've never heard of Omoda? That's fine. Chery builds more cars worldwide than Tesla, and this is their secret weapon aimed straight at the Nissan Qashqai. Let's talk about why everyone's been sleeping on this. The exterior won't make you gasp. It's clean, modern, fastback roofline, 18-inch wheels, arrow-shaped LED lights. But here's what matters. They ditched the controversial grille for a sleek parametric design that actually looks premium. It's not trying to be a Porsche, it's trying to be smart. Now open the hood. This is where the Omoda 5 stops being polite. The super hybrid system combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with a 204 horsepower electric motor. Combined output? 224 horsepower and 295 newton-meters of torque. 0 to 100 in 7.9 seconds. That's quicker than a base Qashqai, quicker than an MGHS, and it does it while sipping fuel like a Prius. The hybrid system works in series and parallel modes. City driving? Pure electric. Highway cruising? The engine kicks in with 44.5% thermal efficiency. The 1.83 kilowatt-hour battery is small, but smart. It prioritizes electric mode when it matters, then lets the engine recharge it seamlessly. The result? 5.3 liters per 100 kilometers. That's 44 miles per gallon in a 224 horsepower SUV. And here's the number that breaks the segment. 1,000 kilometers on a single tank. You can drive very long distances without stopping for fuel. The transmission is a smooth DHT unit that feels closer to an electric car than a hybrid. No clunky gear changes, no lag, just linear, effortless acceleration. Step inside. Twin 12.3-inch curved displays dominate the dashboard. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, 64-color ambient lighting. The seats are supportive with electric adjustment. Part leather trim feels surprisingly premium. SONY 8-speaker audio, dual-zone climate control, panoramic sunroof on noble trim. There's a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control with lane centering and PM2. 5 air filtration. Boot space is 430 liters, expanding to 1,075 with the rear seats folded. Visibility isn't perfect. The rear window is small, but the camera system compensates. The suspension is independent on all 4 wheels, so ride comfort is genuinely good. It soaks up rough roads without drama. Now the price. The new Omoda 5 hybrid starts around 30,000 euros. A Nissan Qashqai with similar power costs 10,000 euros more. A Toyota CHR hybrid with less power costs 7,000 euros more. You're getting 224 horsepower, 1,000 kilometer range, premium tech, and an Eco label for the price of a base Skoda Karoq. Is it worth it? If you want proven German reliability, buy the Volkswagen. But if you want the most power, the best range, and the lowest price in the segment, this Chinese underdog just rewrote the rules. The SUV nobody expected to be this good. Want to see how the new Omoda 7 PHEV stacks up? That's coming next week. If this changed your mind about Chinese cars, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.